A Southwest Florida man is upset tonight after he said he paid thousands to a roofer who he says never finished the job. And now state and local governments are stepping in to make sure that other people don't fall victim.
Fox 4's Carl Fortier is on Marco Island, finding out the lengths that some have gone to in order to get Campbell Roofing to give them their money back.
He never stepped on the property, did no work at all, ordered no product at all.
Bart Drake is one of several people who reached out to Fox 4, saying Campbell Roofing left jobs like fixing the hurricane damage to the roof of his Marco Island home unfinished, after allegedly taking big money for a deposit. Bart says in his case, that's $8,000.
Then the game started of excuses of materials on back order and you're on the schedule, and then eventually they quit taking our phone calls.
So Bart had this sign made accusing Campbell Roofing owner Joshua Campbell of fraud. Then Bart took the sign to Cape Coral and held it along Del Prado Boulevard near Campbell's office.
A few minutes later, I got a phone call that said, from Josh Campbell. He said, "Are you standing on the corner of Del Prado with a sign that says I should be in prison?" I said, "Yes." And he said, "Why?" I said, "Because you're a crook."
He says Campbell told him his money was gone due to internal embezzlement at his business. The roofing company has a history of complaints, and Wednesday Campbell had his roofing license revoked by the City of Cape Coral's construction board. Campbell failed to go before the board for disciplinary action over expired permits and his insurance not being up to date. Collier County tells me Campbell can no longer pull permits there either because of the insurance issue.
Yeah, I can absorb an $8,000 hit, but there's people that he's cheated that can't.
Now the state attorney's office is getting involved, telling us in an email that they now have an active consumer protection investigation into Campbell Roofing.
The state really needs to step in and go after this guy.
I did reach out to Campbell Roofing several times for comment, but no one answered the phone and no one was at their Cape Coral office. In Marco Island, Carl Fortier, Fox 4, in your corner.